guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to post long video on your WhatsApp status. So let's get into it. One way of getting around the 30-second time limit on WhatsApp status videos is to split your long video into series of 30-second videos. Here's how to do it. First of all, open WhatsApp. Switch to Status tab and then tap on My Status. On the next screen, select the video that you want to post as your WhatsApp status. Once the video is selected, you will see a slider at the top of the screen. Use the slider to choose 30-second parts of the video that you want to upload to your WhatsApp status. Using the slider, you can post the first 30 seconds of the video as your status in WhatsApp, and repeat the step to post the next 30-second video and so on. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.